programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Di na ba uso yung miles ngayon?
Siya na ba yun?
Siya na yan, te. Sino?
Ang alam ko, dito na magtatrabaho ang anak ng CEO.
Talaga? I think we'll get along.
Ay, parang ang maldita naman.
Sip-sip?
Uy, boy, yung anak ni boss boy. Pando ka dyan, boy. Di ba yun yung ginamit mo? Di, bagay sa'yo, boy. Mayaman mo.
Uy, hindi ah.
Pwede.
Would you like something, miss?
Oh no, I think it's better.
Oh, look, we have here. Our interviewees are supposed to be this late.
Well, not a good first impression, right?
Do they even care about their jobs anymore? Anyway, please sit down. Okay, since we have everyone here today, let us introduce ourselves. We are your interviewers, and my name is Nai Marchesa, and I am your HR specialist. And since you're applying for a financial position, this is our very own CFO, Miss Max Payne Laval. So let's start, shall we? First, please tell us about yourselves. Please pick first, please.
I am Eunice Angelica Maljugan.
Wonderful. Well, I think we have a better candidate.
I guess so. Quick question, Miss. Do you have any connection to the founder of our company, Mr. Mondragon?
Again, I'm Eunice Angelica Maljugan and 25 years old. And of course, I'm very frustrated for this position. My mom taught me how to manage financial things, and that's all.
Well, I believe so, because upon checking in your resume, you have quite exceptional skills. Well, clearly she's a great asset in our company.
Yes, I think we really need her in our company.
Mhm.
Don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
So, to our next candidate, I guess.
Good day, I'm Samantha Eunice Alcantara, 25 years old. I graduated with a degree in financial management, and I believe I can bring fresh ideas and strong discipline to help the company grow.
You're talking about discipline, right? But you can't manage your time well. How can you say that you can manage financial stuffs?
There's no discipline.
Yeah, surely.
So, I guess we'll just announce who passed this interview.
Do the honor, okay?
And it's very, very basic because it's a very easy decision, to be honest. So, should we announce?
Yeah, sure.
So, for the position of financial manager, obviously, it would be Miss Mondragon. She's everything the company needs and she's very well qualified. So, really good for this job. Yeah. Do you agree, Miss Mondragon?
Of course. Oh, congratulations.
Congratulations, Miss Mondragon.
Clearly, you get a job.
And since you have come to this Miss Alcantara, I guess, is that your surname? So I guess we just have to call you next time if you have something vacant, I guess. So you may please hear yourself out now. So congratulations, Miss Mondragon. Yeah, congratulations. We are very glad to have you here.
Oh, saan? Parang pagod na pagod ka ata.
Hindi ako natanggap. Anong klaseng company yun? Nalaman lang nilang Mondragon, tinanggap na nila agad. Tapos yung mga employees, mga sip-sip, tapos mga walang manners. Excuse po. Hello? This is Samantha Eunice Alcantara speaking. How may I help you? Talaga po? I'll accept po. Thank you sa opportunity.
Kung tayo'y magkasama at kahit tayo'y nagkakamali, di rin nasanay di na nangyari.
My gosh, where is she? Anong oras na, oh?
Late na ata ako.
Oh, ikaw bang assistant ko?
Good morning po, ma'am.
Late ka na. Alam mo ba kung anong oras ang pasok mo? Di ba sa 7:57 to 1 minute late? Oh, kunin mo to. Kunin mo to. Kunin mo to. Ano ba? Hindi ka ba tumitingin sa dinadaanan mo?
Ano ba yan?
Isang basta tayo'y magkasama.
Thank you so much po.
Iba nadarama.
Okay lang po talaga.
Gusto ko
Thank
ay
you po.
sigurado na ikaw na nga ang paglalaanan ko ng buong mundo.
Ha? Ano po, ma'am? Tutulungan ko na lang po kayo.
Hindi na. Kaya ko ang sarili ko. Ang dumi-dumi mo. Assistant, halika na nga. Oh my gosh! What is this? I'm not made for this. Wait, let me fix my face. My gosh, I'm haggard. I need my coffee fix. Cha-cha? Yes, I'd make coffee fix right now.
Miss, ito na po yung coffee niyo.
Alright, nandito ka na. Sige, gawin mo to. Ayusin mo yan, ha? Baka pangit yan. Hindi ako mapromote. Kasalanan mo pa.
Ano ba yan? Graduate ng financial management. Para ito lang, di pa kaya.
Ano? Sinasabi ka?
Wala, miss.
Ayusin mo yan, ha? Dapat yung ayos para mapromote ako.
Miss Mondragon? Malapit na mag-lunch. May kasama ka na ba?
Ano naman ngayon?
I'm just wondering kung may kasama ka na. Free ako later. May treat.
So, what kung wala?
Kunat. You know, mayaman ka, pero connection is better. I have a higher position. Pwede tayo mag-banding. Tour kita sa company na to, or company mo.
So, one.
Excuse me, miss. Ano na ngayon ulit yung gagawin dito?
Di ba sinabi ko na sa'yo, gawin mo yung best mo para mapromote ako?
Okay.
Sorry, di mo ba naririnig na nag-uusap kami?
Oh, ikaw pala si Mr. Chavez. Hindi mo ba nakikita na busy kami? It's office hours. Pwede ba bumalik ka sa office mo?
Sino ka ba?
I'm Samantha Eunice Alcantara, Miss Mondragon's assistant.
Oh, an assistant. Di mo ba kilala kung sino ako? I'm a senior manager sa kumpanyang to. Baka magulat ka, wala ka na sa kumpanyang to. What a waste of time. Anyway, Miss Mondragon, kung kaya available, I can be in time. Just call me anytime. Miss Mondragon.
Excuse me, Miss Alcantara. Pinapatawag ka daw sa office ng CFO.
Miss Mondragon, may I excuse myself?
Okay. By the way, Miss Mondragon, I'm Elizabeth Benuflor. You're so pretty today, ma'am. Ang ganda ng outfit mo. It's so giving. Bagay sa'yo.
Of course.
Branded ba to, ma'am?
Of course.
Ang yaman mo naman. Yung lipstick mo, ma'am, anong shade?
Oh my gosh, you have a good taste, huh?
We're so click.
Good morning po.
Oh, you finally came, Mas Alcantara. So, do you know who called you here?
Hindi po.
Should we tell her?
Yeah, tell her.
Since you're hearing this from us, you need to make sure na walang makakalabas because we could easily terminate you, right? So, us executives, we actually need to have a tour next month to Switzerland because for our performance, right? And we need some funds for us to, do the trip. And we want you to collaborate with our accountant. We have already told her actually. We need you to do some just tiny changes with our accounts. You get what I'm saying, right?
Excuse me po, I don't mean to be rude but assistant lang po ako ni Miss Mondragon. Bakit ako yung gagawa?
Miss Alcantara, do you want this job or not? Miss Albal, please just calm down, okay? Let me handle this. So, Miss Alcantara, actually, Miss Mondragon is a very much important person in a company. We need her to keep on driving and not be busy whatever we are doing. We need you to cater to everything she needs, and we need you to everything she wants you to do. That's how we cherish her. So, you do this job properly, you serve the company, and we will all be happy. Did you get that?
Hindi po ba illegal yun?
Seryoso ka? Here, let me show you. As you can see here, since 2021, laging ranked down or laging nasa mababa yung company natin. But since 2022, anong rank na natin? Nasa top, di ba? Do you know what it takes to be the best company here? Sa industry na to? We need to be the best. Okay? So no matter what it takes, kailangan natin gawin lahat. The importance of this tour is for us executives to enhance our performance. I mean, don't you want that? Na mag-excel tayo sa mga performances natin? Diba? Tsaka lahat naman tayo magbe-benefit. So kung ako sa'yo, gawin mo na lang lahat ng pinapagawa namin. Sayang opportunity.
Nakakasawa yung ganito, no, pre? Bigat-bigat ng trabaho natin araw-araw. Di pa rin tumataas yung sahod natin.
Oo nga, pre.
Kasi ilang taon na tayo dito, hindi man lang tayo makapromote.
Yan taga yung buhay, pre. Lalo na pag wala kang koneksyon ng kapit dito sa loob, mahirapan ka talaga.
Yung boss pa natin.
Si boss pa natin yan. Grabe. Tindi talaga ng babae na yan. Kala mo kung sino. Oh, kamusta na pinapagawa ko sa inyo? Oh, ikaw Samuel. Kamusta yung binigay ko sa yung trabaho?
Oo, sir. Pa-check na lang po, sir.
Tingin nga. Ano to? White Manila naman ito. Di ba pinayos na po sa inyo nakalinggo?
Sir, lahat naman po.
Basura. Gawin mo yan ulit.
Sir, kung sa tingin nyo mas alam nyo ang gawin kasi sa akin, kayo na po gumawa kasi mag-resign na ako.
E di mag-resign ka, hindi ka naman kailangan dito eh. Uy, pre, kalma ka.
Uy, alam niyo ba? Sa office ni Mr. Travis, isang staff na yung nag-resign. Oh, talaga? Narinig mo ba yung mga sinasabi niya na?
Hindi eh.
Uy, nakita niyo ba sa bulletin boy? Magkakaroon na doon ng promotion si Miss Mondragon. Malamang, anak ng CEO eh. Akit talaga yun.
Sus, kami nga, 5 years na sa company, hindi pa nag-promote.
Bakit? Sino ka ba? Anak ka ba ng CEO?
Sus, profit may kapit lang siya eh.
Totoo ba na ma-promote si Miss Mondragon? Oo, ang galing-galing niya kaya na puri ng mga CFO ang mga reports niya. Tsaka, di ba assistant ka niya? Bakit nandito ka? Ay, sorry na madaan mo. Doon ka na nga.
Hello, Eunice? Hello, ma'am.
Kumusta ng balita dyan?
May narinig na naman ako mga unethical behavior. Sa tingin ko, sapat na ang mga evidence para malinis natin ang company.
Okay, you did a great job explaining to Angelica. Bukas na bukas yan ipapatawag tayo ng board meeting. Copy that?
Yes, ma'am.
Nandito na ba ang lahat? Excuse me, Mr. President. Ms. Mondragon has run to something, so I think she'll be late. But hold everyone.
Sorry, Mom. Sorry for being late.
Since everyone is already here, so pwede ba natin simulan ng ating presentation sa progress ng company natin for the past month, starting with our finance department, presented by Ms. Mondragon.
Wait po. Sorry po, kasi po yung assistant ko po na-mess up yung presentation na ipapakita ko sana sa inyo. Let me call first my assistant.
Ms. Mondragon, is everything alright? Sorry, but we're taking too much time.
Madam President, if I may, maybe we need to give her some time because Miss Mondragon is still new to this company and she is to adjust for a while.
As possible for our monthly
Ms. Mondragon, are you sure what you're talking about? Pakibalik na sa expenses natin. Ba't napakababata niya compare sa revenue na nakuha natin pag-past month?
Well, I think, Mr. President, there must be a mistake.
No? Mistakes where?
Ma'am, may I excuse myself first? My assistant is calling.
Hello, Miss Mondragon. I'm sorry I'm late. I'll be there soon.
Well. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Ma'am.
Alright, I guess everybody's here. You may now take your seats. Thank you, everyone. Have we begun the presentation already? Have we begun already?
Yes po.
Oh, sorry for interrupting the presentation. Wait, I'm seeing an unfamiliar face here. May I know your name, Iha?
I am...
Go on.
I am Eunice Angelica Mondragon.
Mondragon, I see. You know, your name is familiar. You know kasi, you have the same name with my unika Iha. By the way, guys, you may take your seat. Yeah. Okay, since everyone's here already, I'm sorry for interrupting the presentation, but may I take this opportunity to give you a very important announcement. Pwede ko bang gamitin ang time na to para ipakilala ang nag-iisang anak na meron ako? Ang nag-iisang kapagmana ng Mondragon Empire. Ang nag-iisang Eunice Angelica Mondragon sa buhay ko.
Hi, Ma.
Where have you been this time, Eunice?
Galing lang ako sa party.
Do you know what time it is already? 7 a.m. Alas 7 na ng umaga, Eunice Angelica. Ngayon ka palang uuwi?
Ang uuwi mo naman.
Sumusobra ka na. Ilang taon ka na nga? Pero 25 years old. 25 years old ka na. Hindi ka pa rin tumitino. Me and your papa gave you enough time. Enough time already. Tapos hindi nga mga lumo mo at magwaldas ka ng waldas ng pera. Pero anong ginagawa mo? Nagpa-party, lumalabas with your friends. Ha? Pinapainin ba ulo ko, Eunice? This time, Your papa and I will allow you to live your life if there's no tomorrow again. Starting tomorrow, you will enter the company not as the ES, nor as the CEO of the company, but as a regular employee. You will only get the CEO position in this condition. Papasok ka bilang regular employee at iimbestigahan mo ang kumakalat na rumors ng issue sa ating kumpanya. Aalamin mo kung paano gumalaw ang mga tao sa loob at anong mga unethical behaviors ang kailangan nating i-abolish for the continuous growth of our company. This will be your punishment, Eunice, and will also serve as your training before you get the CEO position. You have to make yourself worthy to get that position. Naiintindihan mo yon? Paghihirapan mong kunin yon, Eunice. Your papa and I won't accept any more buts and dramas from you. Got it?
Chacha, bakit late ka na naman? Hindi ka na nahiya sa mga tao dito?
I'm sorry I'm late, Miss Eunice Angelique Montreal.
Montreal? What's the meaning of this?
Montreal.
You're calling my daughter a muchacha? I guess everyone was shocked with this revelation. Pero sa tingin ko, mas magugulat kayo sa mga i-reveal ko pang anomalies dito sa ating company. Nandito ako kasama na aking unika iha upang i-reveal sa inyo ang mga unethical behaviors na nangyayari sa loob ng kumpanya for the past few months.
Kumusta ang amo mo? Bakit parang pagod na pagod ka ata?
Hindi ako natanggap. Halata naman yung bias at favoritism sa company. Tapos yung mga employees, mga sip-sip, tapos mga walang manners. Nalaman lang nila ang Mondragon, tinanggap na nila agad.
Sino mo nag-interview sa'yo?
Yung HR, tapos si FO.
Oh, Max Pin and Nai, really?
And alam mo ba, ma'am, yung kasabayan ko sa interview, kapangalan ko, Eunice Angelica Mondragon. Tapos nung nalaman nila ang Mondragon, tinanggap agad nila. Wala ka bang gagawin dun?
Baka magugulat na lang kayo na sa mga ebidensyang i-reveal o ipapakita namin sa inyo ay kasama ang mga pangalan niyo. At magugulat na lang kayo na baka bukas, hindi na kayo ang nakaupo sa mga upuang yan.
For years, we sold an image of perfection, but behind those polished reports were things we could no longer ignore. Now, the truth must be told. It began with favoritism, hiring by connection, not by merit, a direct violation of the labor code's equal opportunity principles. Success should be earned, not given. Then identity theft, someone using another person's name to gain access. Under the Cybercrime Prevention Act and Data Privacy Act, this is a serious crime, punishable by up to 12 years imprisonment. We uncovered catcalling and sexual harassment as well, violations of the Safe Spaces Act and Anti-Sexual Harassment Act. Respect is non-negotiable. We also witnessed discrimination, belittling employees because of their role, and we pushed people to the brink. Employee burnout from relentless targets and inhumane workloads. The labor code protects workers. Being treated like a machine is unacceptable. Worst of all, financial manipulation, falsified records and hidden funds. Under the Securities Regulation Code and Revised Corporation Code, that's corporate fraud with heavy penalties. These acts are not mere mistakes. They are betrayals. And as your CEO, I will not hide them. We will act, we will prosecute, we will reform. No more silence, no more cover-ups. We rebuild with transparency, justice, and respect. Not as a regular employee. Ay, ano ba?
job that, ano sabi ko?
Of course. Okay, huwag na lang i-claim.
Aba. Sige, mag-sign ka. Mag-sign.
Balik tayo ng mga movie. Oo nga. Balik kayo.
Ano pong masasabi niyo sa mga estudyante ngayon na nagsisimula pa lang?
Uy, may busy.
Hindi.
Kaya ayusin mo ng hairstylist ko yung buhok. Ay, napangit na intro.
Day 1! Tapos na po! Ikaw, hindi kayo? Guys, dito kami ngayon guys sa Green Peak. Sa next location namin. So na po kami after 10,000 steps. Wow.
Wala pa lang. Pakasubutin na kayo.
Ma'am, ano pong masabi niyong struggle niyo ngayon?
Take care.
Dito po na, debrief po namin yung next scene po namin guys. So, ayan po yung mga nangyayari. Dito po kami ngayon sa Catalina ulit, sa may pool. Ito po, kasamahan po namin si Miss Tejano. Ito po si Vicente.
Hi guys.
Ano pong masasabi nyo ngayon sa project natin dito?
As of now, layo na rin yung progress natin. May
nalaglag ka dyan, sir?
May progress na tayo and almost matatapos na rin tayo, mga 1 hour left na lang.
Day 2! Tapos na po!